Hello students, today we are going to continue with the same chapter, that is family values. Students, we will start with tolerance. Student, what is tolerance? See student, we will have some faults, we can improve. We all have some faults, we can improve on these faults with the help of our family and friends. We may not agree with each other every time. Sometimes there are disagreement even between friends. All such times we must try to understand the point of view of other instead of insisting that only our point of view is correct. On such occasions, we must listen to the other person. In this way, we learn to be tolerant. Respecting opinions which are different from our own is called tolerance or broad mindedness. See, student, respecting opinions which are different from our own is called tolerance. Tolerance has a special significance in our country. People from various religious creeds, cultures, and following different customs live here. That is why it is necessary for everyone to be tolerant or broad minded. Diversity can be preserved through tolerance. Diversity enriches our social life. It encourages us to think about other with concern. We can solve problems in our environment by being broad minded. See student, and what is gender equality? Boys and girls or men and women are equal as human beings. Considering boys and girls to be equal without discrimination is called gender equality. Boys and girls must respect one another in the company or our friends. We consider all of them to be our equal, to be our equals. We must maintain this sense of equality as citizens when we grow up. By developing this sense of equality, everyone gets to learn and make progress. Food, clothing, shelter, health, and education are the common needs of men and women. For the purpose of equality, each of these needs must be fulfilled properly. Man and woman have equal rights to facilities such as this. Similarly, man and woman must get equal opportunities of progress. See student, the overall objective of gender equality is a society in which women and men enjoy the same opportunities, rights and obligations in all spheres of life. See one slogan on gender equality. Students, you also prepare some slogans on gender equality. What we learn, tolerance and corporations make our community life harmonious and peaceful. A tolerant attitude make it easy to preserve diversity. Men and women are equal. It is not right to discriminate between them. So, with this chapter is over. Thank you.